Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our middle school math kit. Make sure to hit our subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. The expression is a game in which there's kind of two parts to it, and it's best if students work in pairs to do this because the thought process, because there's so many numbers available, it works best if they have two people kind of thinking things through. To start off, each student can work together with the other teams if they want to, is going to read these directions, and then they're going to create that into an expression. So for example, 2 times a number of full honeycombs to bees plus some empty honeycombs. So we're going to do 2 times the number of honeycombs, and I'm going to represent full honeycombs as an F, plus some empty honeycombs, and I'm going to have to do the empty as an E. So that's the expression on this one. This other one, there are 3 times as many flowers than bees, plus some dragonflies. So there's 3 times as many flowers than bees, and I'm going to represent the flowers with an F, plus some dragonflies. I'm going to represent that with a D. This one down below is the difference of butterflies to 2 times the number of flowers with bees. So the difference means that's going to be a subtraction. So I'm going to put the butterflies minus 2 times the number of flowers with bees. And then the last one, the product of the number of bees, I put as a B in each beehive. So the product means I'm multiplying, and then I'm going to represent the hive as an H. So the students will first do that mathematics and figure out the expression on each. Then they will take turns rolling the dice, and they can plug those numbers into any of these expressions, and they can plug any number in any position. So for example, if I rolled the 4 and the 6 and I placed it in this one, I could have the 4 represented by, or the B represent the 4, and then minus 2 times F, which is 6. And so then I have 4 minus 2 times 6 is 12. So I have a negative 8. So that player would take their counter and cover up a negative 8 on the board. There's a negative 8 right there. Now the next player is going to go, and let's say they roll the same numbers, and they're going to plug that into any one of these, and let's say they do it with this one. So they're going to do 3 times 4 plus 6. So they're going to do 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 6, which is going to get them a total of 18. And they're going to then put their counter on an 18. So they're going to continue playing this game, trying to get 3 counters in a row, diagonally or horizontally. So once they get 3 counters in any row, that team wins. Takes a lot of thought. That's why it's great to work in pairs, so that you guys can be thinking together as you're trying to come up with what expression is going to help you get the right answer on the board. Enjoy. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content, and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.